Monte Philinvest project here in Naga City, Futura Monte site. So I mean magga-groundbreaking ka ba lang kami this coming Friday, but then makita nyo, so ibang klase, advance yung construction compare sa groundbreaking ceremony. So magsi-ceremony pa lang kami this coming Friday, groundbreaking, but yan na, kung nagko-construct na, start ng construction, nag-aano na, so nagbubuhos na sinda. So ayan na, yan ang building 2, makita nyo, building 2 siya. So ganyan ka-advance ang ano ng Futura Monte, ang Philinvest project. Hindi gaya ng iba na ano mo na, ang tagal pa. So yan yung building A's, 100% sold out, even the parking, yung mga parking niya on demand. Ayan pa lang ang parking. So ayan, so grabe. So yan ang building B. Building B. Oh, they're all busy. They're all busy here. Ano ba to? Naka-live ba to?